Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete extra pages in Microsoft Word. If you've ever finished a document and noticed a blank page at the end, or even worse, an extra page in the middle that just won't go away, you're not alone. This is a very common issue in Word, especially when working with resumes, reports, assignments, or long documents. So don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why those extra pages appear and how to remove them quickly and cleanly. Let's get started. First, open the Word document where you see the extra page. To make things easier, we need to see what's actually causing that blank page. Most of the time, it's hidden formatting marks like paragraph breaks, page breaks, or section breaks. To reveal these, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the paragraph group, click the Show Hide button. It looks like a paragraph symbol. Once you click it, Word will display all the hidden formatting marks in your document. Now, scroll to the extra page. If you see multiple paragraph symbols, simply click and drag to select them, then press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. In many cases, this instantly removes the extra page. Next, let's talk about page breaks, which are another common cause. If you see a line that says Page Break, click directly on it and press Delete. This will merge the content back onto the previous page and remove the blank one. Another tricky situation involves section breaks. Section breaks are often used for changing page orientation, margins, or headers, but they can also create unwanted pages. If you see Section Break Next Page or something similar, select it and press Delete. Just be careful, removing section breaks may affect formatting in other parts of your document. Now, if the extra page is caused by a table, Word sometimes forces a blank paragraph after the table, which creates an extra page. In this case, click on the paragraph symbol below the table. Then go to the Home tab and reduce the font size to 1 or change the spacing to 0. This usually pulls the content back and removes the blank page. Another helpful method is using Print Layout View. Go to the View tab and make sure Print Layout is selected. This gives you a clear view of where pages begin and end, making it easier to spot what's causing the issue. If all else fails, place your cursor at the very end of the document and press Backspace repeatedly until the extra page disappears. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to delete extra pages in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.